What's good at that whānau? Welcome back to another episode of A Māori Phrase of the Day. We straight into a whānau, let's age. Kāore roa katoa te rā. The sun will set soon. So for an example whānau, back in the days, the way we used to know when to go home, and I reckon all my 90s babies anyway, 90s, 80s babies or know what I'm talking about. We used to know when it was time to go home was when the street lights turned on. And usually that's when the sun was setting. You know, it was like pretty much sunset time, I guess. The sun was going down, it was starting to get dark. The street lights would turn on and that's when you know when to go home. Because we didn't have phones or watches back then. Did we have watches back then? I don't know. I never had a watch. But that's how we knew when to go home. So, for an example, my nan could have went, hey, I need you home soon because Kāore roa katoa te rā. The sun will set soon. And then I would usually reply with, no, do I have to? Nah. But you know what I mean, whānau, as always. If this is incorrect or if I've mispronounced anything in here, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And just always remember, whānau, it's a good day to have a good day. So make sure you have a good day. Sekius, let's go.